Thumbs up. And roll your hands. Alright, then you're gonna those things really good dance the right of all the rain and what it is here because you everyone has. Alright, this way before we start, I want you roll your hands, dance and music. Come on, everybody smile. Are you ready? Everybody shake your hands. Go shake, shake, shake your hands. Go on. Now forward. Now we go. And clap. Clap your hands on. And roll your hands. Shake your head, shake. Okay, stop. Now for our next game, it's color orange. Very good. It is the color honey. Wow, okay. Kalau begitu, Uligo sa naman, yan yung picture. Once for those in the James Bond, all you have to do is you turn around the share once. You come up your hand, pass the loop to the next player, you come to the next group, and the next player will do the same. Ready? Up, taka! There we go. And you go up here and you pass it to your classmate, to your classmate. Okay, so ready? Team Helkaya and Team Janela. In 1, 2, 3, go! Ako rin mag-go, ako rin isip. Bakit 1,000? And 1, 2, 3, go! Laka! Sige, pasa mo kayo na. Siya ka ba? Siya ka ba? Ikaw kayo na, dapat kayo na. Sige, dapat kayo na. Go, relax! We have a winner and Team Janela. Okay, for Team Janela, you will receive the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly open your eyes and say right to SpongeBob SquarePants. Good. And SpongeBob. Okay, this is what I want all of you to say hi to SpongeBob in 1, 2, 3. You say hi to SpongeBob in 1, 2, 3 now. And SpongeBob.
Well, thanks for siguro kami. I have to SpongeBob welcome to the Christmas party of Community College here at Katayan Ora Christian School. SpongeBob, kasi na ito din ha. And of course, yung mga mami o mami, magkay sa mami dahil yung bayag sa ako.
아파트 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 Icky sticky bubblegum 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 Icky sticky bubble.
Before we are going to start mag-praise at us, I request everybody to please stand up. And when I call in Josiah, the Christmas party, please, are you ready to receive a prize? Ang inyong buhaton, listen mo na kaya sa Lyra is talking man. Okay, ang inyong buhaton mo, follow lang mo kang Ate Lyra, okay? You do the first step, do it like this, you do the chicken beat. Everybody, Bibi, you do the chicken beat, everybody. Awakan si Ate, very good. Next, follow, you do the chicken beat. You do the chicken beat like this, Anna, very good. Next is you have to flap your wings. You have to flap your wings, very good. Next is you have to shake your butt. Shake, 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 and shake, very good. Next is you have to clap your hands 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the last time, you have to walk like a chicken. You know how to walk like a chicken? You walk like a chicken. Okay, this time, it's okay. Kung hindi ka scared, don't shout. Okay, this time, we are going to have it with the music. Clap your wings, shake your butt, and clap your hands. One more, shake your feet. Clap your wings, shake your butt, and clap your hands. Clap your wings, shake your butt, and clap your hands. Last one, shake your feet. Clap your wings, shake your butt. Okay, this time, walk like a chicken. Walk like a chicken. Forward, forward. because very good. Birds do fly because of their wings. This time, dalawa, 2 hands. Okay, this time I want you to shine. We are boys. Okay, what color is this? Very good. This one? Then come here now. Josiah, you listen now, you listen. Okay, what color is this? Is this brown? I think this is blue. Okay. Okay, I want you to form your wings. Where's your wings? Okay, and then this one, all you have to do with this is you have to put it in between.
Phonics, phonics, phonics solo. Phonics, phonics, phonics solo. Phonics, phonics, phonics solo. Phonics solo. A, alligator app.
B, ball, C, car,
D, dog, D.
E, elephant,
F, fan.
G, gorilla, H, hot,
Okay, very good. Show your best dance move. No one should move. Silog na ng parents. Wala nagliyok. Sa unang panahon out ang nagpakitag nipon. Mga doon na panahon, pagkita ng nipon.